Okay, guys, this is going to be a crappy video, but I only had a couple of minutes to make it. I don't really have time to make a good video for this, but here's what's doing. I'm doing a video about this product because I think it can make you money. I think it can help you. If you follow me, you know I haven't done one of these type of videos in a long time, but this is what's doing. This guy here, Brennan Mace, not the little doggy. I mean, his little doggy cracks me up. It's the funniest damn dog I've ever seen. But anyway, Brennan has come out. If you don't know who he is, he launches a bunch of products. He's what I call a genius at coming out with products. He's made a lot of money for himself, and he's made a lot of money for other people. But anyway, before I digress into that nonsense, here's what I want to show you. And the reason I'm making this video so quick, because you have to move on this quick. There's like 7 hours and some, I don't know how long left. It kind of depends on when you land on this page, I think. But here's what's doing. He is giving you like 15 of his last products that he has put out for one ridiculously low price. I mean, the value on this is like $285 that you would have spent if you would have bought these. Here's product one, the secret weapon, newbie friendly, free traffic, don't need a list, no techie. And the reason I'm showing you guys this is because I know Brennan. All of his courses are fantastic. I buy them myself. Yes, I could get them for free, but I buy them. So here's the next one, Octane, passive income in 3 clicks. Very cool course. Profit maximizers, over $3,880 worth of bonuses. I mean, this is worth getting just for the bonuses, right? And next, cash magnets, set and forget cash magnets. I've got this, and it is a way to really get sales goosed up. I mean, this is pretty cool. Stealth HD, turn emails into passive income without a list, without an autoresponder, without monthly fees. Never seen before. Get 100 to 200 or even 1,000 clicks every day. No email list. This is all cool stuff. Boomerang Buddy. Anyway, I'm not going to go through all of these because every one of these is pure gold. But you're getting 15 of these, all of these courses. And you can see what they usually cost each, like 19 bucks each, right? And this one's $34.95. And you're getting them all 15 of them for 19 bucks. So I really had to jump on here and say, hey guys, jump on this. My link to this is going to be below this video. And let me get fully transparent here. Yes, that is my affiliate link. I'm an affiliate marketer. I make huge money at it. I'm trying to get you guys into it. So that is my affiliate link, to be totally transparent. What does that mean? That means if you buy this product through my link, I make a few bucks. Trust me, it doesn't change my lifestyle even a little bit. And the other good thing is it doesn't increase the price to you. In other words, you're not paying more because you're using my link. So it doesn't cost you anything extra to use my link. The other thing is I want to be transparent about is I don't do these kind of videos for every product that comes out. I only do it for things I believe in. And another point of transparency, Brendan is one of my good friends. He's like my best friend, you know, going into this new year. So I want you guys to understand that. And if you think that makes me biased, maybe it does. But I'll tell you one more time, I buy his products and I always learn something from his products. Now, the other thing I want to tell you is if you buy this product through my link, I'm going to give you a special bonus that I just threw up real quick. This is my bonus I'm going to give you. And this is something you won't get anywhere else. First off, what I'm going to give you is personal access to me. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm an ex-truck driver, right? I used to drive a truck. I used to be a battery in the matrix. I used to have a JOB, stands for just over broke, right? And then I discovered how to make money online, and I became an online millionaire, like a lot of these guys do. Brendan is a good case study. Let me scroll up to him and his little doggy again. Brennan used to be a school teacher. Talk about underpaid and underappreciated. A school teacher, and now he's a millionaire. He just bought his 4th house. So, this is no joke, right? You can change your life with this stuff if you take action and if you implement. Now, here's the thing. I don't know you personally, so I cannot say that this particular thing is going to make you a millionaire. I can't even say it's going to make you $1. But that's why I'm promoting this, and that's why I'm telling you about this, is because there's 15 different products in here. So one of them, the odds say one of them has to help you. Probably a lot of them are going to help you. So if you buy this and if you actually take the training on it, you should make some dough. I can't promise it because, again, I don't know you from a can of paint. Maybe you're dumb as a box of rocks. I do not know. But this is going to give you the best chance. And again, my bonus I'm giving you, if you buy this through my link, is going to be, first of all, I'm giving you access to me directly. I'm giving you my private VIP voicemail. So you can call and talk to me, leave a message. I usually am able to get back to people within 24 hours. You can ask me anything. I will help you. Trust me. And you got to remember, I don't do personal coaching. When I did personal coaching, I wouldn't do it for less than $2,000 an hour. Now I won't do it for any price because I make too much money. I make more money running my own business than I could by getting $2,000 an hour from some guy that wants to pay me to coach him. So now you're getting that. You're getting the ability to call me up and I will call you back. And that is priceless. So, that's something that I can't stress how valuable that is. And you're getting it as part of a bonus. The other thing you're getting is you're getting access to some special VIP courses that I'm in the process of making. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get them done. It may take me a month to get them done. But these are courses that I'm not putting out to anybody except my friends. These are the kind of things I send to my friends when they want to make money. It's not the kind of thing I put on my website. It's not the kind of thing I put out there and sell. This is the kind of top-level VIP stuff I give to my friends when they say, hey, Dave, help me make a few bucks. And I say, okay, do this. And I make them a little tutorial. So you're going to get those when they come out. That's the second part of the bonus. And the third part of the bonus I'm giving you is my kinghumanelite.com website, right? I'm going to give you a free month in my Kinghuman website. How is that going to work? Well, you just come here, you join the website, you pay your first month, and then instantly all you have to do is just send me a voicemail, and I am going to instantly rebate you your first month's payment. So you're going to get 30 days to kick around inside the money pages and see. You can download everything. I don't care. You're going to get a ton of tutorials in here and courses. So between my stuff and Brennan's stuff, you're not going to be limited. You're going to have so much to study and so many ways to make money online. Now, how do you access the bonuses? Well, when you buy through my link, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus, where you purchase this bundle of 15 products that Brennan has put out. All of them excellent, or I don't know if all of them are excellent. I don't know if I've bought all of them. I've bought most of them. And the ones that I have bought have all been excellent. So I don't know. That's all I can tell you, right? So you buy this for 19 bucks, you're getting 285 bucks worth of incredible stuff. Click on the link below and it'll take you to this page and you can see for yourself. If it's in your wheelhouse, buy it. If it's not, no harm, no foul. It doesn't really hurt me. It doesn't change my lifestyle if you do it or not. I'm just trying to get you on the track because I think this is a good way for you guys to get the most education from the best people out there for the least amount of money. I think this is killer. Oh, Taco, little doggy. I love that little doggy. Anyway, all right, guys, that's it. I don't know what else to tell you. Maximum respect. Byeonara. All the best. Booyakasha. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, because my brain is so scattered. I'm working on about 200 projects at the same time right now, developing new software. By the way, that's something I'll probably give you guys on the VIP thing, is not just the software, but I'll give you the ability to resell it and make money with it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm up to yet. I haven't even made that stuff. But when you buy this through my link and you check out through Warrior Plus, there will be a little thing at the bottom of your checkout page that says bonus page. I've included it in there. So when you check out, look for that little bonus page thing. It'll be down there. It'll be on your checkout page. If not, go back to Warrior Plus and log in on Warrior Plus and go into your purchases and you will find it in there. Look for it. Get that bonus. Because getting voicemail access to me and my genius brain is worth a gazillion dollars. I'm telling you, it's the most valuable thing you could have. Something nobody else out there gives out. I mean, it just doesn't happen. Go ahead, try and call up one of these gurus. Even just try and get them to answer one of your emails. It just will not happen. These guys are so busy. And not like I'm not busy. I'm huge busy. But I'm going to have time for you guys. I'm going to have time for my Kinghuman Elite members. And those are the people I give out my voicemail phone number to. And that's it. So you're going to get that. And that's worth more than the $19 you're going to pay for this whole bundle of products. All right, guys. I hope that makes sense. Sorry for this crap video. I just didn't have time to make a good video. If you think somebody else could benefit from this, do me a solid and send them this video. Also, do me a solid and subscribe and ding the little bell. It's helping me with putting these kind of videos out that may help you. So you help me, I help you. A rising tide raises all boats, right? All right, guys, I'm sick of hearing myself talk. Do it, don't do it. I don't care. I'm just trying to help. All right, guys, byeonara.